How to register as a person with disability on eCitizen. 1. Visit www.ecitizen.go.ke. 2. Click on Sign In or Register if you do not have an eCitizen account. 3. Enter your ID number and password to sign in. 4. Find Ncpwd under the listed agencies and click on it to access our services. 5. Click on Register as a person with disability to register. 6. Read the instructions, fill in the application form and submit your application for verification and approval. 8. Click on your application to download or print your certificate if approved.